Welcome you guys. My name is Ronnie and welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this episode, basically I'm going to talk about who I am and what I'm going to represent in the future videos of this channel. Now, in this YouTube channel, I'm going to provide you a lot of information about financial information and financial education. The knowledge that I'm going to share is a personal knowledge that I've gained through the years, whether if it's from books, financial books that I've read, or even if it's personal experience that I've gained through the years. I'm an investor. Currently, I have a portfolio of $40,000 worth of investments, scattered a many types of income sources. And I'm here to talk about this in the future videos. I just love my life. I love my friends, I love my family, I love my new hobby here. I especially love money and the opportunities that come with money. I'm a business guy. I understood at a very young age that you can really live the life to the fullest if you could accumulate wealth. You have to control a few small but important things. One of them is time. Makes sense, right? You want me to do the thing? One of them is time. The second thing is multiple income sources or cash flow or passive income, call it whatever you like. I'm here to talk about those things and how you can get them as soon as possible. One more thing is a healthy and creative mindset that will actually help you in each and every way to achieve your freaking goals. So guys, I'm starting here a journey and I would be more than happy if you could join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe button right there. Guys, my main goal here is to show you the progress and give you the tools for your own successful path. For now, I decided to upload one video per week, at least at the beginning, and I really hope that this video, first video, one of many, will really inspire you and give you a big smile on your face. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this first video, and don't forget that many more to come. I got a lot of stuff coming in your way. And if you really did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next episode.